Hi, my name is Colin Ryan. I'm going to talk to you about the three states of data. Data can be at rest, in use, and in transit. Data at these states are always in risk, and these different states use different methods to secure it. So, data at rest is a passive state. It's not actively being processed or accessed. It's one of the most secure forms of states. An example would be storing data on a hard drive, flash drive, cloud, or any other storage device. Data in use is an active state. So you're actively using memory, accessing it. It's decrypted, which makes it one of the least secure forms. Examples would be updating or editing a paper or document. Then we have data in transmission. This is data transmitted between 2 points. There's not much protection because it needs to travel through routers, switches, and other devices. Examples of this would be sending an email or going to a website and communicating with it. So how do we secure data at rest? Well, there's encryption. We can encrypt the hard disk, we can encrypt certain files, anything we want to protect that's currently stored. Who can access these policies? So if we set restrictions, we can control who accesses the data, what data they can access to really protect it. Also, where's this data stored? Is it stored in a secure location? Is it easily accessible? And then we have challenges also associated with this. So the same data could be stored on multiple devices, so we need to make sure each one is secure. How to secure data in use? Well, there's identity management, which we can control who can access this through passwords and multi-factor authentication. Access controls, when they're actively using this, what can they access, such as role-based access control only to your role. And then there's digital right protection. So this is going to limit the actions of a user when they're accessing a data. So this could, for example, be me reading a document, but not being able to edit it or download, print it. I only have limited actions that I can perform with it. The challenges with this, though, is what's to stop me from taking a picture or using some other application to capture this document. And then we have how to secure data in transit. So there's encryption, which you can have transport layer security, internet protocol security. You want to also authenticate your endpoints, where this data is getting received. And then we have firewalls, IPS for other protection. Challenges with data transit would be it's impossible to control the receiving end. Once they receive this data, what they do with it, how it gets secured from there. And then this is a short list of my references, and thank you for listening.